When we think of ancient Greek writing, we often imagine elegant letters carved into stone. But before the Greek alphabet, there were two mysterious scripts, Linear A and Linear B. So, if Linear B is the earliest known form of Greek, why is Linear A? Well, A? Let's go back to around 1800 BCE. The Minoans, a powerful civilization on Crete, developed Linear A, a script used for palace records, trade, and religious texts. The problem? We still can't read it. That's right, Linear A remains undeciphered to this day. So what was the Minoan language like? Unlike ancient Greek, which belongs to the Indo-European language family, Minoan is something completely different. It's a non-Greek, possibly pre-Indo-European language, meaning it doesn't seem related to Greek, Latin, or any other known ancient tongues. So what was the Minoan language like? Linguists have identified repeated symbols in Linear A that likely represent numbers, place names, and even religious terms, but the underlying grammar and vocabulary remain a mystery. Some believe it could be connected to languages from Anatolia or the Near East, while others argue it's a completely lost linguistic isolate. Fast forward to the early 20th century. British archaeologist Sir Arthur Evans discovered thousands of clay tablets at Knossos. He identified two distinct scripts, one more ancient, which he called Linear A, and a later one, which he named Linear B. Linear B looked similar to Linear A, but had clear differences. And in 1952, Michael Ventris cracked the code. It turned out to be an early form of Greek, proving that Mycenaean Greeks borrowed and adapted the Minoan script. So why the names A and B? Simply put, Evans named them in the order he found them. Linear A was the older unknown script, while Linear B was the later one that evolved into a written form of Greek. To this day, Linear A remains one of history's greatest linguistic puzzles. Was it Minoan? Was it a completely lost language? Until we crack its code, Linear A remains an enigma. What do you think? Will we ever decode Linear A? Let me know in the comments.